Hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Now, I'm going to keep this video super short and sweet. Excuse the background. It's a really impromptu video. But I decided to make this video because I was in a really happy mood. I am in a really happy mood. And I wanted everybody else to also be in such a great mood. Basically, as the title suggests, I'm gonna just briefly talk about, smiling and just make someone smile today. Do a random act of kindness today. It doesn't even have to be doing anything material, giving anybody something like something, just a simple smile. Just smile at someone that you don't know or even someone that you know. Send someone a text, call someone today, compliment someone. Just do something today to make someone smile, because a smile can change a lot of things. A random just compliment, compliment someone today, help someone out, just make someone smile today. That's really all I can say. Today was a beautiful day. It was a sunny day. I haven't seen much sunlight in the last couple of weeks, so it was really great to get a lot of sunshine today, and that's what made me happy. So today, make someone happy, make someone smile, make yourself smile first of all, and yeah, just have a good day, have a good night, enjoy life, and remember to smile. Until next time.